Hello guys, this is Bugre. Don't go here and welcome to this channel. If you're new on this channel, just consider to subscribe right now because lots of great videos will be coming very soon on this channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to change your WhatsApp pins on Android. It's very simple. So there's great things I'm going to do here. So let's get straight into it. But if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, just consider subscribing right now. Like the video, share it, and let's do something great on YouTube. Alright, okay. So first of all, you have to consider downloading some certain apps. The first app you have to download is what's the name? WhatsApp GMB. And after you download WhatsApp GMB, you go ahead and download OSM things. So first of all, you download this one, OSM things. You download this one is app. This app is just about WhatsApp things. Just about WhatsApp things. So this is how it is. You can change WhatsApp things. And after that one, you come ahead and you download WhatsApp GMB. So I'm going to teach you how to get it started. Alright. So this is how you do. First of all, you have to go to the WhatsApp GMB and then register. Alright. You go there and you register. So I'm going to register right now. Agree and continue. Allow. Put in your phone number. Next. Just know that this is legal. It's legal. It's not illegal. It's legal, and it is going to work out. So you just have to know what you're going to do. Alright. Yeah. So I'm waiting for the text message to come, and then I'll just put it in. Yeah, I just put it in. Alright, I received the message. So here we go. It is 230110. Alright, so looking for backups. I'm not going to back up. I'm just going to skip because I don't actually have that important messages. So next, then boom, on WhatsApp GMB. So after you get on WhatsApp GMB, then you are ready to also go and change the theme. So you have to go to the app there and search for the kind of theme that suits you. Alright, the kind of theme that suits you. Just look through. If you want a dark theme, you want a yellowish theme, you want a green theme, or you want whatever it is you want, just go there and then you get the theme that you want. Alright, so I'm waiting for you to finish loading. Then we'll go out there and then we'll go to the place, the OSM theme, to change the theme for WhatsApp so that you're able to use the WhatsApp in a cool way. Alright. Yeah. So we're waiting for this thing to do, but it's wasting time. So it's alright, now we are here. So now we are on WhatsApp GMB. Alright, so now let's come and change the theme. As I said, you have to look for this app, OSM theme. This app is what is used to change the themes on the WhatsApp. So I'm going to change the theme right now for you to see that indeed I've changed the theme. So let me choose this one. I'm going to choose this one. I just love this one, so I'm going to choose it. And it's finished downloading. So let's go back to WhatsApp GMB and then try to change the theme. So this is what you do. You just come here and then you come to, oh shit, fucking ad. Oh shit, I hate ads. You come to GMB settings and then hit an OK, but just forget about it. Just forget about it. Then you come to a themes, please wait a moment, downloading file. So I wasn't expecting this video to take even up to 4 minutes, but because of some. So now we are here. We are come to look through for the theme. I'm waiting for it to load. I don't know why my network is very slow. I don't know why my network is very slow. I'm going to load this thing. Oh, let me see the directory. It's just not here. OSM theme. why they're saying that. So let's go and then download from their store. Alright, let's go and download from their store. So let's see what's going to happen. Alright, me, I love that thing, so I'm going to choose the first one. Or okay, let me choose this one. So you just click apply, and that's it. It was download it, say to apply, just like that. I love that, but so to run this application, okay, because we start the WhatsApp and then now this is applied. Here I go. Now this is the WhatsApp I'm using. So you see it's kind of cool to use change your things, alright? Yeah, so guys, subscribe to the channel, support the channel to do well, and I'm sure you're all going to do great, alright? Okay, so blessed up. Bye.